Hello and welcome to this video in which we shall continue discussing composition of functions. So in this question here, we're told given the three functions below, which expression equals z of q of s of x. So there's an alternative way of writing this. We can write it as z of q of s of x. And we want to figure out what this expression is equivalent to. So we begin with the inside function. So the inside function is q of s of x. So q of s of x equals q of something. So in the q function, we are going to replace the x with a bracket. So this becomes 3 power bracket. And inside the bracket, we are going to put s of x, which is root x. So we have 3 to the power of root x. Now z of q of s of x equals x plus 3. So again, this is z of something. So bracket plus 3. And inside the bracket, we are going to put this expression, which is 3 power root x. So this is most similar to this expression here. So this is going to be our choice. And this is correct. Let's try another one. So here we are required to get s of r of b of x. So in order to do that, we want to get s of something, and this something here is r of b of x. So what is r of b of x? Now this is b inside the r, so we're going to go to the r and write it with brackets. So this is going to be 5 over a bracket. And inside the bracket, instead of x, we have b of x, which is this expression here. So we're going to put root x minus 9. Now, this is equivalent to r of b of x, which is what we need to put inside the s. So inside the s, we have 5 over root x minus 9. So s of this expression means that we go to the s and we replace the x with a bracket. So this is going to be 9 bracket power 3. And inside the bracket, we are going to put this expression, which is 5 over root x minus 9. And this gives us this expression here. This is correct as well. Given the three functions below, which expression equals z of g of t of x? So z of g of t of x. We begin with the inside function. So we begin with g of t of x. So g of t of x means that we go to the g and we replace the x with a bracket. So this becomes absolute of 3 times bracket like this. And inside the bracket, we put t of x. T of x is this expression. We're going to put 8x minus 9. And we take this whole expression and put it inside the outer function, which is the z. So first we replace the x's in the z with brackets. So this is the z. So this is going to be 6 over bracket. And inside the bracket, we are going to put this expression, which is absolute of 3 times 8x minus 9. And we have an absolute value outside and a bracket all the way out. So this is equivalent to 6 over 3, 8x minus 9. And this is the correct answer as well. And this brings us to the end of our video. I hope this has been beneficial. Thank you for watching.